Montessori toys are specially designed to nurture creativity, fine motor skills, and problem-solving abilities in children while promoting hands-on learning. These toys offer an engaging way for kids to explore their environment and develop essential cognitive and physical skills. Features to consider before buying Montessori toys. Age appropriateness. Select toys designed for your child's specific developmental stage to ensure safety and optimal engagement. Material quality. Choose toys made from durable, non-toxic materials to guarantee safety. Educational value. Look for toys that promote sensory learning, hand-eye coordination, and problem-solving skills. Ease of use. Ensure the toys are easy for little hands to handle, fostering independent play. Portability. Lightweight and portable toys are great for on-the-go learning. Thank you for watching this video and hope you found it useful. Subscribe to us for more parenting tips and discovering best products to buy for your child.